Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to complete city tour mode in Subway Surfers City. So first thing that you will do is open up the Subway Surfer application into your device. Now to complete the city tour mode, as you can see, you will have the location icon beside the run at the middle. So go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see, we are on the city tour. So tap on map. So from here, as you can see, we will have multiple cities that we can complete, and pretty much each one of them, you must reach a certain points or a mission. And now, as you can see, I have completed the channel one over here on the south line. And when I tap on it, each one of them, in order for you to collect the reward, you must complete all of these missions over here in order for you to unlock the other city. And pretty much guys, completing all the channels on each city will help you go ahead and complete the city tour mode. And pretty much you could also have the hard mode once you have reached enough missions and levels, and you will unlock more rewards as you move forward. And pretty much that's how to complete the city tour mode, is just simply do the missions on each level as much as you can and pretty much play the game on Subway Surfer.